Digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 9. We did introduction part. So today I am going to tell you about exercise 9.1. Before starting 9.1, let's see some important parts. As you know, topic name is algebraic expression. So here important term is term. So what do you mean by term? And coefficient, monomial, binomial and a trinomial. These words we are going to use. So have a quick look over them. Terms means it is a combination of variables and constant. So you can see this is a one term and these are two terms. Again, x and y is multiplied to each other. So it is a one term and x by means z is a two terms. So dear student, when we are talking about terms, so terms are always separated by plus and minus sign. Then we are counting next term. Next is coefficient. Coefficient is a number or a constant counting that is written in front of variable. Variable is here x square. This is your constant. This you have studied in previous classes also. This is power, base and coefficient. Next is monomial. Monomial means having single term. If there is only one term, so we call it monomial. If there are two terms like x minus y, y minus z, two terms are there. So definitely this is known as binomial. And trinomial means having three terms like x plus y plus z, x plus y minus 100 or any other variable. When three terms are there, they are trinomial. So have a look over the questions first. Identify the following terms, their coefficient terms and their coefficient for each of the following. So how to find out the terms first, as I told you. So first, whenever we are talking about terms and variable, so I am writing here terms and your coefficient. Okay. So first task is to count how many terms are there in question number 1. 5xyz square. They are multiplied to each other. So this is one term and this one is a second. So you need to write first 5xyz square is the first term and minus of 3xy is the second term. So what is the coefficient here? I told you the number written in front of the variable. So what is written in front of variable here? In first part it is 5. So 5 is the answer. Here minus 3 is written first. So minus 3 is the answer. In this way you can calculate terms and coefficient. So let's see, have a look over next part, second part. Similarly we are solving second part. So here again my task is to write terms. Term is 1 and coefficient. Coefficient 1 is a term. It is single term. Coefficient is also 1. Next term is x. So term is again coefficient is a constant number. So it is 1. Next is x raised to power 2. But you can see here in the second part almost everywhere constant number is 1. Because if no number is written there, you can take it as a 1. So I hope my dear student it is clear to you how to separate out terms and their coefficients. Terms means how many terms are there, like 1, 2, 3, and terms are always separated by plus and minus sign. So let's come to the point in question number 2. Now we are going to classify by using this data which one is monomial, binomial and trinomial. So first one is x plus y. You can see x plus y, this is the first term and second term. There are two terms, so it is known as binomial. Next, only 1000 is written there, single number is there, 1000. So it is in the case of a monomial. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 terms, so it is quadrinomial. You can write here quadrinomial or quadrinomial. Next we have here 7 plus y plus 5x. So there are 3 terms. 3 terms means trinomial. I told here also you just count. In the last we have 2 terms. So if there are only 2 terms, so it is coming in the category of a binomial. So I hope, my dear student, it is clear to you how to find out terms, their coefficients, and as well as binomial, trinomial, or we can say classification of polynomials.